Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow hack and super easy and super fun to do. So anyways, I just went ahead and checked myself in this magnifying mirror and I pretty much just kind of like shaped my eyebrow where I want it to be. And then afterwards I took this product, and this one is an eyebrow pencil by Maybelline, and I pretty much just kind of created like a guideline. Not perfect, we're just creating kind of like a base for our eyebrows. So then I just pretty much just took this spoolie brush and kind of like fixed my hairs and all that. And then afterwards I took this tweezers and I started to remove my hairs. I use tweezers because it grows my hair a lot better rather than using a razor. You guys can use whatever method you're comfortable with, but I prefer tweezers. So anyway, I took all the hairs that were kind of like outside of my guideline, and I did this for kind of like my bottom part and also the upper part. In the middle I also took some hairs out of that part too. And then I did kind of the same thing, which is run my spoolie again and clean everything. Then I moved on to my other eyebrow, and I pretty much just repeat the process, which is to create a guideline and then pretty much just fix your eyebrow in the shape you prefer, and then take your spoolie, clean everything, the edges, etc., and then started to remove your hairs and all that. Okay, so now moving on to the next product, I'm going to be taking this duo by e.l.f. and I'm going to be using the darker shade in the inner part of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to take the powder form and I'm going to apply that right in the end of my eyebrow, and this is going to create a nice effect, and it creates like a very smooth and like natural eyebrow. So that is the look I'm going for, like a natural eyebrow. I don't want it to look harsh or kind of like too fake, and I do have like very hairy eyebrows, so to me it's kind of easy to apply these things because I feel like I don't have to draw that much. I just have to fill in the blank spaces that I have. Now I'm gonna be taking this concealer palette and I'm going to be applying the light shade in the outer part of my eyebrow, in the bottom part actually, and also kind of like shaping your eyebrow and then kind of blending it with the same brush. But I decided to move on to some to my wet sponge because it was a lot faster and quicker to blend and a lot more natural. Okay, so now I pretty much just repeat the process in my other eyebrow, and I'm sorry I'm out of frame in this clip, but you guys get the point, right? It's pretty much just fill in your eyebrows and then shape them and fix everything that needs to be fixed so they look a lot more pretty and filled in. Okay, so now for the final step, I pretty much just took some powder and ran that right wherever I applied my concealer so it wouldn't crease or anything. So yeah, pretty soft, nothing too harsh. And yeah guys, this is pretty much the final result for this hack. I hope you guys really enjoy it and have an awesome day. Bye bye.